Hello, welcome to Texture Math. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is percentage months. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing the program in fully free format and declared the control option as a no debug IO and SRC STMT. Okay, this is mainly for debugging purpose. Now on line number 12, I'm declaring some variable and both of my variable is of date type named as current date and result. Okay, so as we are learning about the duration built-in function, in our previous session we learned how we can use percentage days built-in function to add duration or to convert a numeric value as a number of days. So today we are learning about the same duration built-in function, but this time we are converting numeric value into number of months. So let's see how it will work. So on line number 17, I'm using percentage date built-in function which will return the current date, and then we are storing it into current date variable, and below to that I'm just displaying this string output, and after that we are just displaying the current date. Okay, so it will show output as a string, then it will return the current date. Now this is the syntax of percentage month built-in function. So here what I'm doing, I'm just converting one numeric value into a number of duration as a number of duration, okay, as a duration and number of months. Okay, so what it will do, it will suppose I am passing here 5, so it will convert it as a number of month as a 5. Okay, now we can use this in two way, this built-in function in two way. Firstly, I'm retrieving the date after 5 months. So suppose I have one date on and I want to calculate the 5 month later date. So how we will do this? With the help of percentage month built-in function. So on line number 23 29, I am writing percentage month built-in function, and what it will do, it will convert this 5 as a number of month as 5, and then we are adding it to the current date variable. So it will fetch the a date which is after the 5 month of the current date. Okay, and then we are just displaying it. Now below to that, I'm using the same built-in function, but this time I'm subtracting the duration from my date. So here I'm remo- here I'm calculating the 1 month back date. So with the help of percentage month, I'm converting this one as a number of month, and then I'm subtracting it from the current date. And on line number 37, I'm just displaying it and setting star inlar equals to star on. So let's compile and call this program. Yes, this is the output line, and then we are getting the current date. So current date is 2022 0916. So this is the year, this is the month, and this is the date. So what we are doing after this line, we are adding 5 months to this date, so it will add it here. Okay, so let's hit enter. So we are getting date as a 23rd Feb. Okay, 23 year and Feb as a date because it added 5 months to this date. So what it will become, 2023 02 Feb and 16. So we got the date after 5 months. And if I hit enter, so in next logic line, what we are doing, we are just subtracting 1 month from this date, not from this, but from the current date. So current date is this. So we are subtracting one value from this. So it will become 08. Okay. So this is what we are writing in program. So we are fetching the firstly we are displaying the current date which came from this line, and after that we are adding 5 month to date, so which we are getting from this line, and after that we are subtracting 1 month from the date, and which we are getting from line number 37. So that's how you can use this percentage month built-in function for converting your numeric value into number of months, and then you can perform addition or subtraction on a date. Okay, so in a previous session we discussed the same concept but with number of days, and in this session we are discussing about the number of months. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Math.